Are you tired of feeling like your money has a mind of its own? Do you ever open your bank statement and wonder, where did all my money go? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. The complexities of modern finance, with countless subscriptions, credit cards, and bank accounts, can make managing your money feel like an impossible task. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, like you're constantly playing catch-up, or worse, completely in the dark about your financial health. The reality is, most of us juggle multiple financial accounts. We have checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, maybe a loan or two, and a growing list of monthly subscriptions for streaming services, apps, and various online memberships. Keeping track of every transaction, every bill due date, and every penny spent can become a full-time job in itself. This lack of clear visibility often leads to missed payments, overdraft fees, forgotten subscriptions draining your bank account, and a general sense of financial anxiety. You might be making good money, but if you don't know where it's going, you'll always feel like you're behind. Imagine a world where all your financial information is neatly organized in one place. A place where you can see exactly where your money is going, identify unnecessary expenses, and even save money without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into Rocket Money, a powerful financial management tool that promises to revolutionize the way you handle your money. We're going to explore how Rocket Money can help you get a crystal clear picture of your finances, optimize your spending, and ultimately, achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just starting your financial journey, Rocket Money offers a suite of features designed to simplify and streamline your financial life. Let's get organized. Chapter 1: Getting Started with Rocket Money, Your Financial Command Center. The first step to organizing your financial life with Rocket Money is setting up your account and connecting all your financial institutions. Think of Rocket Money as your central hub, pulling in data from all your disparate accounts to give you a holistic view. First, download the Rocket Money app from your app store or visit their website. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll create an account and then begin linking your bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, and even loans. Rocket Money uses secure linking providers like Plaid, which means your sensitive login information is never stored directly by Rocket Money. This is a crucial security feature that ensures your data remains protected. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money gets to work. It starts by analyzing your transactions, categorizing them, and identifying recurring bills and subscriptions. This initial sync might take a little time, especially if you have a lot of transaction history, but once it's done, you'll be amazed at the instant clarity you gain. Your dashboard will populate with real-time balances, recent transactions, and a snapshot of your overall financial health. This immediate visibility is one of Rocket Money's greatest strengths. No more logging into 5 different banking apps to check balances or reconcile statements. Everything you need to see is right there, updated daily, giving you an accurate and up-to-date picture of your money. It's like having a financial assistant constantly monitoring your accounts and presenting the information in an easy-to-understand format. Chapter 2: Conquering Subscriptions and Unmasking Hidden Expenses. One of the biggest culprits of financial leakage for many people is forgotten or unused subscriptions. Think about it: a free trial you forgot to cancel, an app you used once, a streaming service you no longer watch but are still paying for. These small charges add up, silently chipping away at your income. This is where Rocket Money truly shines. Navigate to the recurring tab in the app and prepare to be surprised. Rocket Money automatically identifies all your recurring payments, from Netflix and Spotify to gym memberships and software subscriptions. It pulls them all into one clear list, showing you how much each one costs and when it renews. This feature alone can be a game changer for your budget. Once you see this list, you can take action. For subscriptions you no longer need or want, Rocket Money offers a fantastic cancel service option. For premium members, Rocket Money's concierge service can even cancel these subscriptions for you. Imagine avoiding those frustrating phone calls to customer service or endlessly searching for cancellation links. Rocket Money handles it. This saves you not just money, but also valuable time and a lot of headaches. Many users report saving hundreds of dollars annually simply by leveraging this feature. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it solution for subscription management, allowing you to reclaim those wasted dollars. Chapter 3: Mastering Your Budget with Personalized Spending Insights. Budgeting often feels restrictive, like putting your money in a straitjacket. But with Rocket Money, budgeting becomes an empowering tool that helps you understand your spending habits and make informed decisions. Rocket Money helps you set up a budget that works for you by automatically categorizing your expenses. In the Spending tab, you'll find a detailed breakdown of where your money is going. Rocket Money automatically categorizes transactions, showing you your top spending categories for the month. This visual representation is incredibly insightful. You might be surprised to see how much you're actually spending on dining out, or impulse purchases, or even seemingly small categories that add up over time. Rocket Money allows you to set spending goals for specific categories. For instance, if you want to reduce your grocery bill, you can set a target amount for groceries. The app will then track your spending against this goal and alert you when you're nearing your limit. This proactive approach helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. You can also create custom categories to tailor your budget even further. This level of customization ensures your budget reflects your unique financial situation and priorities. Furthermore, Rocket Money offers projected savings, showing you how much you'll save if you stick to your budget. This foresight is a powerful motivator, turning budgeting from a chore into a clear path towards your financial goals. By actively monitoring your spending and setting realistic goals, you gain control and confidence in your financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.